Hi everyone, today I have a super small haul. This one is from Tuesday morning. I've not been in there in a hot minute. They really didn't have a whole lot of good clearance today. They had some really good regular prices on their furniture and planters and different things, but I went just for the really good deals. So I did find this one. This was not on a clearance, but the regular price was worth picking it up. This is a 7-piece set of makeup blending sponges by Olivia Rose. It was only $9.99. I finally had to throw one of my blending sponges away because it was just done for. So now we are stocked up on those. Then in the clearance aisle, these were really cool. They had a lot of knitting needles that I already have the same size, so I didn't want duplicates of them, but I did not have a size 13 needle. These were originally marked at their store at $3.99, but their comparable value was $10.99 at the craft stores, and I can believe it because today we were in Michael's and just regular needles were $5 a piece. These are knit anywhere, even in the dark needles. They have lights. The tips of them are clear. These are LED lights that you can put little batteries in here and light these things up and knit while you're sitting watching a movie in the dark, which I think is so cool. So I'm ready to try those. So $2.50 is what they were marked clearance for. I thought that was definitely a good deal, something that would be $10 or more in the regular store for $2.50. Then they had this. It was originally marked $3.99 in their store. They're saying the estimated value was $7.99. I'm saying it's definitely more than that because I've been looking at knitting needles at Hobby Lobby and Michael's and Joann's. This is 3 sets of needles. The nice metal ones. You get a size 6, a size 7, and a size 8 needle in here. And if you don't go by those sizes, it's 4.25 millimeter, 4.5 millimeter, and 5 millimeter for $3 on clearance. I thought that was a fantastic deal. I definitely picked those up. And then this deal was so good, I couldn't pass it up. I have a crap ton of cookie cutters, but you can never have too many cookie cutters. I hauled from Dollar Tree not too long ago these plastic candy dispensers that had a lid on it. I found an actual glass one today and a heavy glass one, thick glass one with a stainless steel lid. It is filled with cookie cutters. This is from Chicago Metallic Baking Tools. You get 12 cookie cutters, and they are supposed to be for each month. So you get January, February, March, April, May, June. Flip it over. July, August, September, October, of course, is a pumpkin. November, your turkey, and then December is a Christmas tree. 12 cookie cutters, plus a heavy, thick, really nice glass candy dispenser jar with a stainless steel lid on it for $12.99. That's like $1 for each cookie cutter and $1 for the container. I was not leaving that sit on the shelf. Definitely, if you find a deal like that, always pick it up. Even if you don't want the cookie cutters, you can put the cookie cutters in a sale and just keep your container if you wanted to. We bake a lot. I do a lot of sugar cookies and decorating, so I will be throwing those in with the rest of my cookie cutters. I don't know if I will use my little jar maybe as like a countertop dispenser for coffee or sugar or something, or I may keep these cookie cutters in there. I haven't decided yet. But that was a steal of a deal at Tuesday morning today. That was the end of our little bitty haul from Tuesday morning. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have a Tuesday morning or you like Tuesday morning, let me know down in the comments below. And subscribe to check out more of our content. And we will see you guys in the next video.